So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to answer a question: can you close short option trades before expiration? So the simple answer to this is yes, you can always close your option contracts before expiration. And this does mean that you can do so on American style and European style option contracts. I think where people get confused is that they think about American and European style options, but that only refers to the exercise process that it goes through. So American style options can be exercised at any time between now and expiration. And that means that most of your general contracts you'll be trading on ETFs and stocks are American style. European style option contracts can only be exercised at expiration. These would be things that are more cash secured, like RUT, NDX, SPX, etc. Now again, this only has to deal with the exercise of the contracts and the conversion of those contracts from options to stock or cash. It has nothing to do with actually trading the option contracts themselves, and that's where people get confused. See, all option contracts have the ability to be traded and or closed before expiration. So it doesn't matter if you're trading American style or European style option contracts. If you decide that you want to close your short option trade, you can do so. You can buy back your contract and remove the position before expiration, regardless of the style of option contract that it is. So it's a really easy way to remove risk and to exit the position is just to simply close out of the option trade. And what we tell people all the time is that we generally like to close all of our positions for an expiration cycle the last week of expiration. So any trades that have not been taken off or rolled for a credit, we would close before the last couple of days of expiration just to remove the potential risk of being assigned on those contracts. So again, the option contracts themselves can be closed or opened at any time. The only thing that changes is if you ever wanted to exercise your contract or the assignment process, and that deals with the difference between the American style and European style option contracts. So hopefully this helps out. As always, if you guys have any questions, let us know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.